A good and bright morning from Japan. It's really good walking around. We are here in Nipponbashi and we are heading to the area of Namba Station. But first, let's go to 7-Eleven. There are a lot of convenience store here like 7-Eleven, Family Mart, and Lawson. You can grab a snack here. There's a lot of choices. From cup noodles, sandwiches, rice balls, rice meal, other fresh produce, good selection of drinks, and also they offer desserts. We're here now at Nankay City in Namba Station because we have to go to JTB office to present our voucher and get our amazing Osaka Pass. With our tight itinerary, we only get from Klook the one-day pass. So that's the JTB office. It's here on the Namba station at the second floor. It's already a long queue because it's already past 9. So just get here probably before the office opens at 9 in the morning. You have to present your purchased vouchers in exchange of the actual passes. After lining up, we got ours. This, the Osaka Amazing Pass actual ticket. As we will be needing this one for the whole day exploring Osaka. Another 7-Eleven. Actually, you can go ahead and see my previous vlog explaining in detail the cards that we used for the itinerary that we have for 4-day and 4-night itinerary. And this includes the Osaka Amazing Pass, how and where to use it. Because you can use this one for a number of attractions and unlimited ride on buses and trains. As you would notice, there are a number of pedestrians walking in their umbrellas or hats because right now, it's summer season. Summer season starts in June and ends in August. The transition to autumn or fall starts in September and ends in November. While December to February is their winter, and the spring season is from March to May. Osaka also offers a wide range of shopping malls, shopping areas, and covered food streets like Tenjin-bashi Suji, Kuroman Market, Shinsaibashi Suji, Dotonbori, this is very well known in Osaka, Ebisubashi Suji, and the shopping centers around Osaka Station City